Hello everyone, welcome to Summer Tools. Nothing to do today, very boring, no life, no future, no money, man. Very hungry, man, but I still get fat and ugly, you know. So welcome to little bit short videos. Someone tell me how to install the rear tail bumper for the Honda cu2, and I will show you what I do because I have the tail bar. First it look ugly, but it will look very nice after I do it. Okay, and this car, it has the tow bar. And you know, fast car is very scary for driving. And think about safety, you know what I do? I just cut off the bastard and throw this one away. I don't use them. And I go next to a neighbor. They have a lot of rubbish there. And foams, you know the foams? I replaced the reinforced here just for safety. But I have to put foams all over to cover this end, just in case I run too fast and someone cannot stop and hit my back, or just in case when my car spin around, this could be help. I don't want to squeeze myself in like banana. And this is the key we're talking about. This one you buy series 2 series, and before the tow bar will go down here. See the one I cut for this bastard go in here, and it's on the way. So best way is to put them on, but for safety we have to put the foam over. And you wait to see. So you have to take off the bumper to remove that and slide this one on. And the glues, the silicone you use, they may come up, but this one I find I have a very good glue. It never come up. This plastic, normal silicone, bathroom silicone, they wouldn't hold it. Even that plastic there on the flaring, I have to take it off. First attempt it fell. All normal silicone, it would never stick in here. See, this plastic, it's very hard to stick. What I try to do is I wrap up the surface and clean up with the thinner inside here before I put silicone on. So it look ugly, but it will be look good. Even this one look ugly, but it will be good. Okay, I'm gonna install them on. I get the brush wire, brush around here at the edge, then clean with silicone, and we will slide them on. And we have our beautiful rear, and you will see the difference when I finish. When we buy the cover, the guard or whatever from plastic from China, it's very hard to deal with. It's the silicone, it will never stuck in this plastic. Okay, the plastic very hard, so we have to get something like this. We wrap them up around, and the body of the car is all right. They stick, but they don't stick in here. You see, I put in, and then now I put up to put the rear skirt on, and it's still nothing holding, so nothing attached into this plastic. So I do the same to that rear skirt there, and I make the car more bulky, make it look good. So brush wire go around front, all about the same. We do this with all of them, even front and rear. Do all the same for me. Brush wire. It took you about 1 or 2 minutes to do this, and this will stay and stick there for you forever. Instead of you have to pull in and out and do again and again. And it's not stick. These springs, really enjoy what I do here. Really love it. I'm using the PVC pipe cleaning. See this here, red one. So I use them for cleaning and make the absorb onto where I just take it off from here. So you go here, go the inside, not the outside, where you put the silicone, and that will help. Okay, don't go wrong. I try, been there, done that, and my experience will hopefully help you out there. You do something with plastic, always have to do like what I done in these short videos, and you'll be happy. Okay, and here, clean around here with the curve going in. So the pen, they hold the glue very well, but still go through it a little bit. Use this one buy from a paint shop, you can get them, and it will help you. If after you use it, put in the freezer and it never go dry. Once this one stay, I give you put this car into the V8 supercars racing and it never come up. No Fast and the Furious, no bolt or not or anything that will come up from this one. This one is the lifesaver. It's very sticky and it's very messy. So once you got it going in, stay there forever, okay? Yeah, we put all the four bolt down, and the glue underneath is super strong. And you see how it look like. See, it look not too bad at all. The car look more bulky. So what we do is put the silicone seal around and make sure they in perfect. After they set down, see all gap in, but you want to keep this gap in. You see, gotta be go in like that. It will be bulky. Sticker tape. I will show you. You can buy from a zip chip. This sticker tape very strong. I find out this is really good for this one. So before you do anything, just make sure it's dry. Go in and leave this one in, and go in. Baby shampoo and water right here, right on the where the glue is. Yo, how are you, sexy man? Thank you, man. See you. Okay, let's see how it looks, and wait for next day, and we'll be right. So we do the same way with the glue. We put in that one and make sure it stays for good, and hopefully it will stay there forever, and it should be working very well. Okay guys, it's over the night. See, after I do all day and it's been stuck in there, you can see there, beautiful. And here and there, the back look more bulky and more square, and it filled up, and you can't see the tow bar no more. It's actually, it go down the street and it look really cool now. Can't recognize my bloody Honda. Thanks for watching Simon 2. See ya.